wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've got a whole bunch of new releases here from e.l.f. so I thought, why not just throw them into one big video. I don't have that new mint collection that you guys are tagging me in, so I'll just include that in some, trying to do me video later on. But if you guys want to know more about these and I want to put these things down, then let's go. So let's start with this one. It's all about the eyes. Meet the new arrivals. These are their new shades of the No Budge Shadow Stick. They have a new enhancing lash and brow serum for these are $5. This retails for $10. They have a new Lash It Loud mascara for $6, and they've got new liquid metallic eyeshadow shades that retail for $5. So let's create some type of eye look with this. Okay, let's take this No Budge shadow stick in Copper Chic, and these actually work great when you use them with matte shadows, but we're gonna try to make a look with just these, so it might end up being a whole metallic eye look, which you probably typically wouldn't do, but sometimes it's okay to switch it up a bit. So I'm just gonna start placing that where I think it should go. We'll see, y'all. We'll see. And then blend that out. But that's the nice thing about them. They blend really easily. I'm gonna try this shade Galaxy as a lid shade. Let's try this green shade right next to it. Well, at least they're pigmented. And finish it off with this blue shade. For some reason, that eye is cooperating a lot better than this one. I don't know why. Today is clearly already trying to test me, but you know what? We're not gonna let it happen. We're not gonna let it happen. Switching over to this one, they have a new putty primer trio that retails for $9. I'll just tell you about the whole thing. A new putty primer applicator that's $6. New shades of their Ride or Die lip balm for $5, and then new putty blushes for $6. For the trios, I only knew of the original one, I think a luminous version, but I see they have a matte one, so I'm going to use that. Ooh, if I can get this out of the package for today's primer, and then I guess try it with the brush. So the matte one is just straight up white, and it's got a little scooper thingy so you can, scoop into the product. I probably won't remember to use that, but it's there on the brush. No, I'm gonna just continue using my hands to apply primer. Go ahead and save your $6. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then pause when we get to the next new thing from e.l.f., which is the blushes, which, well, I'll tell you when we get there. Okay, well, my face sets. Moving on, you've probably heard of their new Putty Blushes. Fun fact about this, I actually tried to order these when it first came out, and I got a confirmation email, and then I never heard anything about the order, never got a shipping email. So I reached out and they were like, yeah, actually, your order didn't go through. And I'm like, isn't that the point of the confirmation email, to confirm that? But anyway, so look, here we are here with these 9 shades, and I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I don't know which shade is which shade, because when it came in the mail, these were all down here. They all fell out of their little slot things. So I just put them back randomly, and I can't pull one out and say, oh, well, it's okay, because even if it doesn't match the name down here, it can match the name on the actual product, because there's no name on the actual product, unless I'm missing it. But there's only wording right here, and I've gone over this and I don't see names on these things. I opened it maybe the shade name is on the inside for some reason, but I'm telling y'all, unless it's in invisible ink, there is no shade names on these. So I don't know what these shade names are. Maybe you can match them up to the pictures on the site, but I'll quickly swatch them though if my finger can fit in the pan, which it might not be able to do. So these are swatches of all 9. I give up on the pink ones, the lighter shades. I don't think you can see this one right here, and then this lighter pink one This one, you see how patchy that is? For my skin tone, if you're around there, the darker ones are gonna be the ones that are your friends. But as far as the formula of this goes, it's giving me very like drugstore version of the Fenty blushes. If you guys remember that rollout like summer last year, you guys know like brands like Elf, Wet n Wild, Makeup Revolution, they usually like dupe other brands. I'm wondering if this is like the dupe of Fenty's blushes, because that's what the formula is reminding me of. Sheer, like this is layers of me swatching these things. These are sheer, which, you know, some people like that type of blush because, you know, blush is supposed to be like, you're blushing. So yeah, I feel like if you either have the Fenty blushes and know what the formula is like, or if you've watched enough reviews, that is what this is giving me. I'm gonna use this shade on my face today. Don't know what it's called because they decided to send them. Maybe, I'm hoping it's just like the PR packages that don't have names on them, because like, what are people supposed to do? Like 12 months from now, how are you supposed to remember? Yeah, I was on the website and, you know, I decided to buy the shade Bali. Like, you're supposed to remember that 10 months from now? I mean, it's showing up on the face though. So there's that, but it's also, again, like I said, one of the darker colors. Okay, they've got new lip balm shades. Not sure if I want to go with this purpley one or the orange or maybe pink. Will I come back here with all three on? Who knows? Let's see. Let's see what some of this shade looks like on. I changed my mind. I'm gonna just use that one shade, and then I use the yellow shadow stick on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna try out the mascara. Ooh. And that is it for my look. I got lash glue on my eyeshadow look, but that's okay because I'm taking this right on off after I finish filming this video. Most impressive thing today, I feel, would be the eyeshadow products. They're pigmented, they blend nicely together. Of course, like I said, it's an all like metallic shimmer look, which most people don't do, but at least you could do it if that's your type of makeup or if you want to try it at some point. So I feel like that's my biggest takeaway here is the eyeshadow. The blushes are cute, but like I said, sheer, you're gonna have to build them up. Probably play nice with other things, you know, use this and then use a powder blush on top of it if you really are the person who wants like your blush, like, yeah, you can see it from down the street. But if you're the person who likes, you know, that blush that looks like it's coming from within, you might like that as well. And, you know, it's Elf, so it's gonna be affordable. And then the lip balms, I just use the clear lip balm as lip balm. But if you like using lip balms that have a little color to them, you know, maybe they keep your lips a little bit more hydrated, especially under your mask. Then the color ones, they do have some tint to them, but do keep in mind, like, I was already wearing a colored lip oil. So the lip balms, the colored ones, are sheer as well. So keep that in mind. But yeah, that is it for me trying some of the new, the putty primer. I feel like my face is pretty matte. I'll have to let you know how it actually wears throughout the day, but the original putty primer is actually, for it being one that doesn't claim to be matte, does pretty well. So I would assume the matte one would do even better for someone who has oily skin, but again, I will let you guys know. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope, you know, seeing this video helped put you on to some new things that have come out from Elf. Let me know if you even want to see that mint collection anymore, because, you know, I feel like once things like come, they go, and like 2 weeks later no one wants to see a video on that anymore. But like I said, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah.